do you think you're doing? Put your hands up.
I would appear to be compliant.
When I grow up, bro, I want to be just like you.
15-year-old Brayden has been charged with the shocking murder of his aunt, though his motive remains unclear. After the crime, he fled the scene in his aunt's maroon Mazda SUV near Albuquerque, New Mexico. A police helicopter quickly spotted the vehicle driving recklessly and relayed its location to over a dozen responding officers. The pursuit ended abruptly when Brayden panicked and brought the car to a sudden stop. State police took him into custody, recovering a gun believed to be the murder weapon, along with a pocket full of ammunition. State prosecutors have decided to charge Brayden as an adult, meaning he could face more than 30 years in prison if convicted. What's your take on this intense encounter? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. We couldn't do this without amazing viewers like you. As always, thanks for watching.
Which is you made a right. Just made a right on Pearl Drive. Pearl Drive. Southbound on Pearl Drive. Okay, you got units, you got a black and white coming north on Pearl Drive. You come right into them. Still southbound Pearl Drive. Okay, made a right-hand turn on Sapphire Drive. Eastbound on Sapphire. Eastbound on Sapphire.
That one trailer, you remember to keep that?
That one was you when you were Coral. Just made a left-hand turn on Coral Drive. Driving this B unit right behind it. Stop line on Coral Drive. First drive, SUV, road coming out on Sun Drive. Left on Sun Drive, and you're back eastbound on Sun, back to 528. No stop sign, roll. Eastbound on Sun. Alright, you ready? Maybe you'll just come to a stop. SP does have a vehicle on a stop.
Hey, get up! Get the fuck up! I'm gonna put it in you! Get up! What the fuck do you think you're doing? Put your hands up! Turn around! Turn around right here! Keep your hands, you're not gonna fucking move till I get somebody else. Do you understand? Hey, get the car. Get the car, it's rolling. I'll hold him till you get the car. Do you understand? You're not gonna make any sudden fucking moves, alright? You're gonna hold until my partner gets here and gets you in cuffs. Give his hand. Put your right hand behind your back. Yeah.
Please.
Five 554, CENTCOM, show me one in custody, everything 10-4.
Where?
Custody, everything is 10-4.
Table 7. Go ahead, 10 here. Go ahead, 10 here.
10-4, CENTCOM units, there's 10-8.
What you got, brother? What you need?
I got all, we already checked them out, so I don't know who's gonna take him. I'll put them in the back of mine if they want.
With 10-8 there?
Yeah, they did already.
Did they?
Wait, let's put them in the back of mine and then.
Come around this way.
Chalk 1, CENTCOM.
Check 1, go ahead.
Chalk 37, vehicle has been cleared. 10-15. All 10-4,
Thanks, brother.
downgrade everybody else.
That's why you take off. I was like,
Yeah.
10-4, vehicle has been cleared, he is in custody. All other units came back.
the Dodge? Yeah.
I don't know who's in the top with her.
I don't know.
Tahoe, I don't know. I'm in the Dodge. Behind him, he took off.
Yeah, I was getting ready to pit him, but he stopped, and then I pulled him out.
K-90, CENTCOM. K-90.
So
This is his. I just don't want to. I don't want it to blow away. So I have him in the back of my unit. I just. Okay. He has EOD's cuffs on him, so he's in the back of my unit. Yeah, that's why he's back there. So it was Able 7. So it's good.
Hello.
Hello, ma'am. How are you?
Thank you, sir. I was coming to you.
What you got there?
This is his stuff, so I just didn't want it to blow away. Who's
take them
Probably one of our units.
wherever they want. I'll take it.
Send 5 over to one of our units and go from there.
We'll need to keep this info here for right now and tape it, photograph it, tape it.
No, we'll take care of that part. Just we need to figure out what to do with the suspect.
Okay. Let me confirm
Okay,
and then I'll
figure out what
let
he
you
wants to do with it. All right.
Okay. Good. So he's in the back of my unit. Cut up to him. This is what was on him. So I had to search him. So I don't know. I'll follow you or whoever they want me to follow to your guys' department and take him. Yeah.
Okay. If I know what they want to do, let's just go here.
Good to see you, bro.
Good to see you, brother. Where's your truck?
This is mine right here.
You guys read Miranda?
No, I didn't talk to him at all. I just put him in and like that, so I can leave him for you guys.
Okay. When I grow up, bro, I want to be just like you.
I was able 7.
I didn't think it was gonna end up like this, honestly. I didn't think he'd just give up.
Good.
He wanted to run. I just put my unit right at the door. I was getting ready to send it.
So did they bring him in right away, or this after?
After. So EOD was right behind me, and then I had him out against my unit, and I had him put the car in park because he left it in drive.
So we're just gonna move him into this car,
Okay.
and they're gonna transport to the 81.
They-
That so just once.
They want okay, whenever they're ready, they want to switch cuffs. Thanks for your help, man.
Right place at the right time.
I told you I was like, I knew vaguely like where we were going, so I was like, cool.
Once you took off, I just tried to keep up.
I know, and I go.
Need a supplement for you?
Yeah, I know. I already got the case number here, and then I'll do it, and then I'm gonna give their detective this now.
I'll take
you,
this
Bob.
is all that was pulled off of him.
That's all that's pulled off him, and the ammo was in his front right pocket. And I'll note that in my report. This is our case number that they'll. But if you just email me, and once it's approved, I'll send it.
Okay.
Okay.
Ramon, thank you.
Yeah, good to see you, man.
Good to see you.
Did they give you your cuffs?
They did not.
Didn't do anything, right?
He went over there and make sure that they give you your
I
cuffs,
just
dude.
joined the. No. Brother, need anything from me?
No, brother.
Good?
We're good, yeah.
Oh, I know. Thank you, guys.